Since the time that you left my side, I've been feeling so alone. I've been trying just way too hard to maintain on my own. Love so we had, we love so that we shared. Just maybe we had to fight it all through the wall.
Things I'm gonna take, congratulations, you know. And Lex, I'd say this is just me letting go, you know.
Then we grow and we learn.
And I was just hoping I'll let you know.
We grow and we learn.
No hard feelings, no strings attached at all. Sure.
Congratulations.
Aisha, non vuole essere sad. And I got paid the fashion artist for my ex. Now one last year was really the best, but that's the pretty get some things just never last. Yeah, get some things just gotta be put in the past. Listen, people to learn from you, no regrets. Never let no stress. Ngak for a lot this at the time you must declare that you don't care. No, you found a new garment, I've been some chala congrats. Sing to Hispanic, got on no flex. Was just hoping sometime we catch up and I pick out what we both left. And I know sometimes you always complicating things, but I was actually hoping we really talk about progress. And nothing more or less. I mean, fuck the chit chat, you know what motivation is. On the same note, still dealing with the process. You know me, I don't deal with the program, but you know I do me, girl. I don't give an F. Still keep it low key, though you already know that. Got shut up until since the day that you really left. Got them a lady basic and I'm so depressed. Fortunately, I see and it's so sad. Yeah, it's sad that we really had to both detach. And I know I heard you a lot of times, ain't no fair. Ain't no fair. My apologies. All I was just trying to say is congratulations. I meant the Lord keep protecting you and guiding you and your family. Yeah, you deserve it. Oh God. Sure.
MK.
Mind you, boo. Look. Yeah, I know we said we was done, maar ik is abuela moana nog steeds. Was just hoping I'll see you for the last year, for big last of year. Yeah, I know I'm the one to blame. Say I ain't been on the net for weeks, and I ain't been myself released. Been minding my music for cheese. Somehow I still get the rich places I ain't never been in, places I ain't never seen. I mean, who'd ever thought all these classics were really 10 in the hits? Yeah, who'd ever thought Prosper Loke would really make it big? And now I'm on my way to them M's and B's, T's and Z's. I'm talking Z's. Hey, if I'm busy stepping on your toes, pardon me, I simply. Girls, I hope all I know get it before I feel like Since it's really tight, this caliphate. Claiming we stuck together forever, or on I get paid. Tomorrow, Lampula Lake. God, I ain't saying that you wrong, but you ain't right either. Did the men to put it on a song? But yeah, we are. My apologies. All I just truly wanted to say was congratulations. Yeah, blessings upon blessings. May the Lord keep protecting and guiding you and your family. Yeah, you deserve it.